Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q1 of the bi-weekly contest 99 split with minimum sum. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem and this contest and also forth. Give me some love and support. Didn't do so hard today, especially for this one because I spent a long time reading this and I spent about 4 minutes on this problem, which if you're a follower for contest easy is actually relatively a long time, though. I mean, I guess I've gotten wrong stuff before, but yeah, for some reason I kind of missed the permutation part, so I was kind of writing it as a 2 to the n thing, but then I just realized that it wasn't going to work even given that. But the core idea behind this problem is just greedy. You may ask, why does greedy work, right? And greedy works because in order to minimize the sum, you want to minimize at the very least the fewest number of digits on the total the final answer. And if you want to minimize the number of digits on the final answer, the final sum, then you also want to minimize the number of digits in nums1 and num2, the two possible component of the sum. And of course, if you kind of go through that, then they have to be roughly the same size, and then you can kind of just and then at that point, so there are only two scenarios, right? One is that num1 and num2 is the same size, and if they're the same size, then it really doesn't matter how you distribute the digits, as long as you do it in a greedy way. And what I mean by that is that if you have something like 1111 plus 99999, it doesn't matter whether this 9 is here or this 1 is here, right? As long as you kind of distribute it, in a way such that it's alternating. Because obviously, if you put this 9 here, then obviously it is no bueno. But it is no good. But yeah, but then the other thing is if one of them is an odd number, right? And if it has an odd number, then I think it makes, it's the same idea, but now you just have one number. You take the smallest number, put it in the front, right? So that's your edge case that you would consider, and then they'll sum to be the smallest number. That's pretty much it. We'll go over the code. I did a very lazy thing with respect to taking the number, and I just do a sorting of the numbers on the digit, and then, as I said, we just distribute it to the two numbers num1 and nums2 by every second digit. One more digit for one of them. It doesn't really matter which one, as long as the smallest number is in front. And that's pretty much it. This is going to be n log n time, where n is, of course, as a reminder, not the number. N is the size of the input, and the size of the input is the number of bits represented by this number, which is, or the other way around, number of bits that this number is represented by, right? And of course, that is n number, and because we do a sorting, that's going to be n log n. Yes, you can also argue that you can just do a bucket sort or something like this to kind of get it linear. So I don't know. But in terms of space, you can also make that argument of that since n is the size of the input is an integer, then all the variables that we're using is technically actually linear space. So yeah. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. N log n time, linear space. Maybe you could, like I said, bucket it into O of n time, O of n space. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. And you could watch me solve it live during the contest next. You could see, and maybe leave a comment on your guesses on how I misread it, because I spent a couple of minutes on the wrong thing, and I'm just like dazzled and confused. But I think that's normal as well. So I don't know. Anyway. Go loading. Okay. Minimum possible. Kind of annoying to write, but okay, fine. This is the easy. Not bad, it's just annoying. Oh wait, what is? I messed this up. I messed this up. I was thinking of another problem. That's maybe why I got confused. Because you could just greedy it. Okay, fine. But how do I rewrite this? What was I thinking of? Okay. Wow, this is kind of just annoying. Or at least I'm just trying to make sure that I don't do it silly. Right. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and this explanation and this contest. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.